This weather update is powered by Alliance Maintenance.
Good morning, everybody. It is 8:35. I really just wanted to focus on the models on this one. We're going to start out with the HRRR. Let me slide over there. All right. So let's see if I can make this fit well. There we go. All right. It's going to be a little condensed, but we'll make it work. All right. So on the left side, simulated radar. On the right side are wind gusts. All right, we're going to play this through here. This is noon today. We're just going to thumb through today. It's not a big deal. We got winds. It's going to start charging up this evening. This is 5 o'clock, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, midnight. Okay, so we're seeing winds being pumped out of the south, trying to work its way to the cold front, which is way up here at this time. Okay. So let's continue on. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm hallucinating. Alright, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Notice that those winds keep climbing and climbing and climbing. We're looking at 45 to 50 mile per hour at this time. 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Look at some of these. This is 55, that's 62, and there's no storm out there. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Okay, here is the cold front. Notice the wind's still blowing to the north, and then on the back side, the wind's now blowing to the south. Winds are really starting to peak at this time. All right, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Big difference, huh? 10 o'clock. Now we start seeing precip develop on the left side. It's not as strong as the NAM model, and we'll look at it in a minute here. So this is 11, noon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. It's out of here. Okay. It's definitely bullish on no precip on the backside for the snow. Where you see the white line, that is our basically freeze indicator, liquid winter mix or snow. That's the cold front. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Look, 64 mile per hour winds. 60. I mean, that's one intense line of wind. 6 o'clock. We're starting to see a little bit of winter precip, Kansas and Missouri. I just wanted to see if there's anything above 64. I mean, that's severe winds. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and midnight. That's as far as we're going. Look at this. We're still in the 40 mile per hour wind range. That's quite intense. All right, let's switch over to actually, hold on. I know how this one works. Go back here, and then we will switch over to the NAM for both, and then we'll just play this through here. Definitely not a 3-minute video. All right, so 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sorry, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's close. We've got the winds today, and they will ramp up overnight. So both the models are accurate on that. The only thing the models are really different on, are the precip. So 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, Sunday morning, 9 o'clock Sunday morning, 10. So it's got like kind of the wave one of the cold front here. Winds blowing north, winds blowing south. Much stronger on the backside. All right. Now it has a line of precip from Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Coffeyville. Well, let's say Chanute, and then up to Nevada. And then by noon, we've got a severe line of storms, it looks like. I noticed we're getting some 55s on the wind on the backside. 1 p.m. This is really intense line now. 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4, and we're all in the snow at this point. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, midnight, 1 a.m. It's finally out of here. And we still have widespread high winds across the area, and winds won't die down until noon, 1 o'clock on Monday. So this, outside of the precip, I know the models are back and forth on the precip. Not really worried about that. I think since we're on the edge of the watch, or not the watch, but the risk. Let's go back. Let's go to weatherwise here. Since we're on the edge here, I really don't anticipate severe weather being ramped up until almost east of the local area. So we'll have a brief moment to watch for severe weather, but the winds are going to be the big deal out of this whole event. I wanted to check advisories. I know there's wind advisories out for Oklahoma, and I don't quite know how to pull those up on this one. Oh, I bet they're not. The Weather Service is good at future placement, where the applications don't pick those up because they're not actually active right now. But there's high wind watches issued for Oklahoma and Kansas, just west of the local area. I really anticipate the entire area being again under a high wind advisory, warning, wind advisory, just anything wind related, just because of the amount of pressure and power that this system has. All right, that is it for this morning. We'll just continue monitoring things. I'm going to be out goofing off today, so I'll have an update later this evening on any of the changes from SPC, and we'll go over the models again at that time. All right, have a good one. Have a good Saturday. We'll talk to you later.